Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize neat video denoise in After Effects for YouTube, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open Adobe After Effects on your computer. Import your video clip that you want to denoise. Select the clip in the timeline. Next, navigate to the Effects panel. In the Effects panel, search for Neat Video. Drag the Neat Video effect onto your selected clip. A window will pop up prompting you to authorize the software. If you have a license key, click on the Enter License button. Type in your license key and click OK. If you do not have a license yet, you can choose to use the trial version. To do this, click on Continue Trial in the prompt. Now, you will need to create a noise profile. Click on the Prepare Noise Profile button in the Neat Video interface. Select an area of your video that contains only noise. Click the Analyze button to generate the noise profile. Once completed, click Close to return to the main interface. You will see a preview of the noise reduction effect applied. Adjust the settings according to your preferences for optimal results. Once satisfied, click OK to apply the changes. Your video is now processed with Neat Video's denoise effect. Proceed to render or export your video for YouTube. This completes the authorization and application of Neat Video in After Effects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.